guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. If you're not subscribed to the channel right now it's the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on so anytime I upload in this thing, you are alerted. So today's video, we're talking all about your vajayjay health and making sure you're balanced and everything with the pH and everything. Because it's one thing to have some spray that make your body smell good, but if internally you stinking and you go to the bathroom and you smelling it, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem, and we cannot have that problem up in here. So this is all about balancing your pH, this whole video, and things that I have been using. I actually have used these items myself, so I can talk about them. I experimented with them just to make sure I'm giving you guys actual factual. Okay, so the company is actually Nutrablast. Looks just like this. I love their packaging. Y'all know I'm a packaging junkie. I'm a packaging junkie. I'm just lighting up just talking about the packaging, but it's really pretty. It says feminine care, and I do want to thank Nutrablast for sponsoring this video, but all opinions are my own, because y'all know me, I don't hold my tongue for nobody, period. So basically it comes in this beautiful box, and you open it up and you have a few items, and I'm going to explain each one that I have been using. The first one actually is the So Fresh and Clean Balancing Vaginal Wash. It looks just like that because we love our certain type of products, but those kind of products you cannot use with the vajayjay area. I know with me, the vajayjay area, and I like to call it the cookie, is what we like to call it, the cuckoo at my house. So I can't use that in the cuckoo area. No ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. So I like to use this because it does help with balancing out the pH in your body, because y'all know the balance of the pH is supposed to be 3.5 to 4.5, and you need to make sure you fresh down there. And then Lord behold, you mess with somebody that takes your pH off balance. Oh God, he came straight from the devil, Jesus. He came from the pits, okay? And you need to balance it back out. Oh my goodness, I can't explain how. Oh, okay. Bring it back to the video. But you mess with somebody that messes up and throws off your pH balance, you need to get it back on track. This is definitely something that can help with that, but it's good for every day to help keep your pH in balance. So the way I like to use it, you should never use it internally. You just get around that area out there and then you fully clean it. Is how this wash is used. It is with boric acid, but it's not a lot of boric acid. It's just enough to keep you pH balanced, okay? Supports odor control. It cleanses discharge, promotes healthy pH. And this is great to use, especially around your period time and after your period time as well. Because something about the couple days after that period, and it's the end part of that blood and stuff, I hate that time. So making sure you have something like this is going to be amazing. And you know what? They even gave me a 20% off coupon. How you doing? Okay, so I got a 20% off coupon. I'll leave the link to the 20% below and the company below. And y'all go ahead and take advantage of getting that additional 20% off. This is the cleanser I'm using right now. I still use my other products, but this is what I use around the vajayjay area, okay? On the outer area. Never use this internally. It also comes with boric acid vaginal suppositories. So basically with the suppositories, you'll insert them into the hoo-ha or the cookie or the vajayjay, whatever you would like to call it. And what it does, it actually helps to support odor control, promotes vaginal balance as well. It comes with 30 vaginal suppositories that will be included. All the links to it will be below so you can get your Boric Life. They also give you, and they offer where they have the panty liners as well. That way, if you have any accidental drip out from the suppositories, that you'll be good to go. So the liners are available as well. The link for it will be below. And again, with my code, y'all save 20% for the holiday. And I know y'all looking to save some money. Just like that for the balance shield. This is what they look like. They're just like panty liners. So it'll catch any of the drip out that happens, because you don't want to wake up and think you was in a whole wet dream. Nah, baby. It was just the extra stuff coming out from this. But yeah, I just wanted to take a moment and speak with vaginal health. Another thing, you got to make sure you're drinking your water, because if you're not drinking your water, what is you doing? I'm even seeing online people like, I'm drinking water for the first time in 26 years. Excuse me? How is your first time in 26 years drinking water? What it smell like down there? It got stank. It got stank because water is extremely important. Make sure you having your pineapples as well. That helps with the vaginal area as well, as far as smell. Like, all these things make a difference. But Nutrablast is one of the things I've been using lately to help eliminate and make sure there's no odor issues, especially after flow. Like, again, I'm not going to go into after flow, okay? So make sure you're checking out Nutrablast. I'll leave all the information below. Again, my code, so you guys can go ahead and get that additional money off. So you can get that 20% is Tina M20 off. That way you get your 20%. The main thing that I would recommend are these 3 items. And just the reason why is because, you know, some of our favorite brands cannot be used around the vajayjay, and I'm always looking for items that work for the vajayjay. So this is good, and you don't need to use a lot, and it does the job, and it keeps you balanced with your pH. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys out. Hope you learned a little bit more about the vajayjay and how to keep it clean and to balance out your pH levels. Definitely make sure to check out Nutrablast below. All the information's below. And use my coupon code TinaM20 off. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.